Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will tell you about 3 Python tricks that many of Python programmers don't know. Okay, so number 1 is using one input statement for multiple inputs. Normally if you want to get multiple inputs you have to use multiple statements like this, but instead you can also use this. You can simply add variables and add dot split function at the end to separate the inputs. So if I just run this, I just need to write my name and then separate it by space and then my age. If I press enter, you'll be able to see that now the inputs are separate. You can add as much as you want. You can increase the number of variables over here to increase the number of inputs. Number 2 is using round function for float value calculations. For example, I have 0.1 and 0.2. I want to add them both, but when I run this I expect the answer to be 0.3, but instead it gives me this. This is due to float point error. This is in many programming languages. This error is in many programming languages. To avoid this, to tackle this, we use round function. It is used like this. It takes two arguments. First is the digit you want to round, and the second is the decimal place. If you want to round to first decimal place, you have to write 1. If you want to round it to 2 decimals, you have to write 2. So now if I just run this, you can see that it will give me the answer of 0.3. Okay, so number 3 is that if you have many conditions to satisfy for if statement, you can simply use all function for this, which is used like this. You have to just create a list of the conditions you want to be satisfied and use this all function, and just need to recall the condition variable, the list in this all function. It would work the same, and the best use case of this is you can use it for many if statements without writing the conditions again and again. So if I just run this, it will give me the same answer as it was giving before. Yes, so these were 3 Python tricks that many of Python programmers don't know. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.